Hey everyone, Ash here with the Better Than Yesterday blog. Accounting methods are important to understand, especially if you own a business. So let's quickly do a refresher on the difference between cash and accrual. Cash basis means you record the transaction when it hits your bank account. And accrual basis means you record the transaction when it occurs rather than when it's paid. Now there are pros and cons to each method. Let's go over cash basis first. A couple pros are that it's simple and you're only taxed on the money that you actually receive versus what you send out in invoices. But some cons are that it's less accurate and it doesn't really help make management decisions since you only have after-the-fact view of financial statements. Now let's go over accrual basis. The first pro is that it's a more accurate picture of the business finances and performance, which means management decisions can be made with more confidence. Now, a couple cons are that it is more complex since you do have to record invoices rather than just looking at your bank account. And you also have to pay tax on income before you actually receive the payments. Most startups and small businesses use the cash basis accounting method because it's simple to understand and easy to implement. However, there are IRS regulations on reporting with the cash basis method. You can always report on an accrual basis, but on a cash basis method, once you reach a certain level in your business, you need to make the switch. To make this short and sweet, the IRS has a gross receipts test, and any corporation or partnership that is not a tax shelter can generally use the cash basis method if its annual gross receipts for the last 3 tax years were $26 million or less. Selecting the appropriate accounting method that clearly reflects your income and expenses is super important. And if inventory applies to your business, then this is something to also consider when making this decision. Reach out to your tax professional to help select the appropriate accounting method for your business. And follow along for more tax tips.